Today I'm bringing you an incredible recipe for vegan and gluten-free buffalo cauliflower wings. Trust me, you won't be able to resist these delicious bites even if you are a meat-eating carnivore. To start off, I will prepare cauliflower. The process for preparation is cleaning and cutting the cauliflower head into the chicken wing shapes. You see, I cut the cauliflower in half from top to bottom. This allows me to see the stems. I start separating the stems with a knife to pull away the florets. I'm looking for long stems. Then if the floret is too large, I will slice it lengthwise. The maximum thickness should be about a ½ inch. If it's a little larger, it's okay, just roughly a ½ inch. Preheat some oil for frying in a deep pot. Next, I will prepare the batter and one ingredient to dredge or dust the cauliflower with. Ideally, they will be like a chicken drumette, but since these are more like boneless wings, the shapes don't really matter. If some are round, like a nugget, it's okay. In one bowl, mix 1 1/3 cups masa corn flour. Yep, the same thing you use for making corn tortillas. Add about 2½ cups of water, but start with 1½ cups. Let it sit for about 15 minutes for the masa to absorb the water. The batter will thicken slightly. As this happens, the consistency should be like a loose milkshake. It's at this step you can add the rest of the water if needed, or more water or more masa can be added if the consistency is too thin, too thick. Then in a separate bowl, add about 2 cups of dry masa. I have these 2 bowls. I will use a wire strainer and my hands. If you don't have a wire strainer, it's okay. Your hands work just fine. Then another bowl or tray to hold the battered cauliflower. Watch my method here. It's important to completely cover the florets in batter. Then shake most of the batter off until there is a thin coating completely around the florets. Then I move them to the dry masa to coat them well again. I applied some slight pressure to set the dry masa to the batter. Continue coating them all. It's time to fry the cauliflower. Frying will be a 2-step process. Here I'll fry them for about a minute at about 300 degrees and then cool them. I put the freshly fried cauliflower into the fridge to cool completely while I work on the rest of the ingredients. Prepare the veggies, dipping sauce, and use the sauces to coat the 2 types of fried cauliflower in. Clean and cut the carrots into matchsticks and hold them in cold water. Thinly slice the green onions and toast some sesame seeds. Chop some garlic. Make the Asian glaze. In a small pot, saute 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic with an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and some oil. Once the garlic starts to cook, add in all of these at once. 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of tamari soy sauce, or use regular soy sauce if you don't need it to be gluten-free. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of lime juice, or about 1 small lime. 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 1/2 cup of agave syrup, or you can use honey if you don't need to be vegan. Then 3 ounces of pineapple. Move it to your blender and puree until no chunks are left. Lastly, 1 ounce weight of cornstarch. A small scale is an important tool in a baker's kitchen. This is an inexpensive digital scale that I bought about 8 years ago, and it still works like a champ today. You can find a link in the description if you don't have a scale. Mix the cornstarch with 2½ teaspoons of water. After combining, add it to the sauce that is heating. Lower the heat and let it heat slowly until it's about the consistency of pancake syrup. You'll see me finish it, but let's move on to the wing sauce. Traditionally, wing sauce is Frank's Red Hot sauce, or a similar sauce mixed in with butter. We're making this vegan and gluten-free. Follow with the same amounts, but substitute butter for the vegan butter if you don't need it to be vegan. In a saucepan, I have a 1/2 cup of the vegan butter. Add in the garlic, add 7 ounces of Frank's Red Hot sauce, 1/2 ounce of weight of cornstarch, coconut fat from 1 can. Heat it slowly until the butter melts. Ingredients blend easily and thicken slightly. You see both sauces are ready. How about we fry the cauliflower and see how they turn out? How do we finish them? Bring the heat of the oil up to 400 degrees. You can find some recipes to cook these in the oven or an air fryer, but there's something magical about the flavor and crispiness from frying in oil. Bake or air fry most of your other food items, but for something like this, these buffalo wings, please do fry them in oil. Drop them in and move them around until they're golden brown, or about 2 minutes. Drain them well on some paper towels and then toss in the sauces. We prepared the Asian glaze for the Asian glazed fried cauliflower and then the wing sauce for the buffalo wing fried cauliflower. While I finish these 2 plates, let's review quickly the tricks to making the best fried cauliflower wings. One of the biggest tricks was the use of masa to coat the cauliflower. The masa cooks to a nice crunchy texture. You can taste a little of the masa in the finished hot wing, The flavor just hangs there in the background while the sauce provides the punch to your tongue. This makes it gluten-free and tastes better. Next was the trick of frying briefly, cooling, and then refrying. This allows the inside of the cauliflower to cook completely, giving you a nice texture with the finished cauliflower wing. Each of the two sauces, Buffalo Wings and Asian Glaze Wings, are made with love, adding lots of flavors, but the addition of a thickener allows the sauce to stick to the cauliflower wing, giving you lots of flavor in every bite. And there you have it. Our mouth-watering vegan and gluten-free buffalo cauliflower wings are done and ready to be devoured. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy a guilt-free snack or appetizer. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more delicious vegan and gluten-free recipes. YouTube wants you to see this video right over here. So do I. Watch it now. Till next time, happy cooking. Yes, these are delicious. I love them. Oh, I need more. Who wants these also? What else can I say about it?